Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and you know how much I like music. All the way down to the Donner guitar right there. I've got Easy Rider, which was practically a big music video, and the Blues Brothers posters on my wall. I love everything about music. AC/DC shirts to my Motown ball caps and my Kurt Cobain inspired flannels. Now, if you know the channel, you know that I am all about finding you the best products, the coolest products at the best prices, and making it to where you don't have to shop around. You can trust my opinion. I've done all the comparison shopping because not everyone wants to do that. I've figured out all the things, found out what's the best products at the best prices for you. So today we're looking at this. This is the Donner keyboard. This is a DEK-510, and this thing is absolutely amazing. You're gonna love it. So many different features. I'm gonna go over all the details. We're gonna show some up close of the keyboard itself, and you're gonna wanna pick one up. And it does have a microphone, so maybe we'll do some karaoke as we sing. So let's talk about it. Now it has 50 demo songs, and that's pretty amazing in its own right. So you can go through all sorts of cool music. Let's pause that for a second. You have over 200 tones and 200 rhythms. Beautiful keyboard, and you can switch to percussion if you want. So a lot of options, a lot of things going on here. You can record, you can have memory, all sorts of things. It'll even show you on a screen right here all the aspects of the keyboard and which keys are being played in the demo song, so you can learn them. It has a learning feature. So there's so many things here. So many cool things. You're absolutely going to want to check this out. And when it comes down to it, like I said, I always find the best deal for your buck. There is no better keyboard than the DEK-510 for your dollar. This is absolutely amazing. It does come with the opportunity to sign up for a 6-month warranty. So you have a 6-month warranty on it. Just scan the QR code. It's absolutely free. So many cool things about this. You can change the volume. It's got 2 big speakers on it. Like I said, the microphone options, the records, the rhythms, the split, the memory settings, everything you want, bass chords, etc., etc. You can fill in the background. This is a badass keyboard. Let's take a look right up close. So here's the up close. You can see it does have the screen. Not all your keyboards are going to have that. Dual keys, single fingered, teaching, vibro, sustain, recording, program. It does have where you can turn on music, which is pretty cool. Demo music, like I said, 50 different songs. This one's obviously Billie Jean. And you're going to want to play in with it. It's going to show you exactly what to do so you can play. Pretty awesome, right? Next up, yeah, Dust in the Wind. It has a lot of cool songs. The changing the chords, changing it to percussion mode. That's pretty neat. You can turn that on and off. Memory settings. You have adjustments over here to your volume, your tempo, your transpose, so you can actually slow the songs down as you're learning them. 200 different rhythms. And over here, I'll turn a little bit here, you have examples of all 200 different tones that you can play with. Start and stop, metronomes, fill in, all sorts of stuff. So it's really fantastic. I think you're going to like it, and you're going to want to pick this up. So there you go, folks. If you don't have one already, you need to pick one up. The Donner DEK-510, absolutely the most amazing keyboard that I've heard in quite a while. This thing has great variety. It does a ton of cool things, and I don't think you're gonna beat it for its bang for its buck. So go ahead and pick one up. I'll put a link in the description below. You can get all the details. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment below myself, or I'll tell the folks at Donner Deals to go ahead and read the comments as well in case there's some technical stuff that I can't answer. Thanks again for watching. Click like and subscribe. We have new videos how often? Pretty much all the time. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.